dark and I can't see the way. Your light is shining brighter every day. Through every fear and every broken dream, I know my future's safe with you and me. You hold tomorrow in your hands. You guide my heart, you lead my plan. Jesus, you are my future, my hope and my light. You walk beside me through the darkest night. No matter where this life may lead me to, my tomorrow is alive in you. When the storms are rising in the sky above, you remind my soul of endless love. Every step I take, you make me strong. With you beside me, I know I belong. You hold tomorrow in your hands. You guide my heart, you lead my plan. Jesus, you are my future, my hope and my light. You are beside me through the darkest night. No matter where this life may lead me to, my tomorrow is alive in you. My hope and my light. You walk beside me through the darkest night. No matter where this life may lead me to, my tomorrow is alive in you. My past is gone, my life is new. Every dream begins with you. Forever I will trust your way. Jesus, let me every day. My hope and my